Hello YouTubers, thank you for joining me for another short clip from Rich Time. My name is Richard and I am going to tackle something, and I may seem a little bit ugly, but it's, how shall we say, tough love. Here we have another Whirlpool Maytag, whatever washer. It says Whirlpool here, but if it has the lights over here, it's generally Whirlpool made. Number one problem, suspension rods. I have people call me all the time checking price and availability. Oh no, I could get it cheaper online. Well then fine, why are you calling me? You think I'm going to match that price? I can't, because I sell OEM rods. There's a reason I'll show you here in just a second. But I want to talk to you just a minute about what this is. This is a clothes washer, not a comforter washer, not a rug washer. Oh, well, I don't wash any of that in there. It's because you're not home when whoever's doing the laundry is doing it. And then when they tell you, Dad, or Honey, or Boss, the washing machine's walking. Every time I open one up, I generally find the suspension rods. See that lint? That's, I think, Dow from Comforters. Okay? And this one, come on. This one is mostly worn out. So, changed them. There's other videos on it, but go ahead, go on Amazon, get the cheapies. Again, I'll show you here in a minute. Also, there's Dow lint all over this, and they're generally, you know, covered like this. But let me get to the rods. Okay. Normally, let me get you a better view. The way I check on the machine is I'll push down and release. See how that one jiggled? Not good, not good, no. But let me be a little bit nicer to everybody. Let's say I'm changing this rod or any of the rods. Here's a trick. Take the first rod off and bend it like so. Then this is how you put them in with ease. Take the nice little tool you just made. That's an old one. Don't re-put the old one in there. I've done it. Reach down, grab the rod by hand. Take your new tool, go down through the hole, and hook it on the rod. I'm right-handed, so take the holder assembly like so. See how easy I'm pulling it up? Rotate it, set it down. Much simpler. Pardon me, it's very warm in Florida. Also, I've lost 30 pounds, can you tell? I hope that this video helps. And again, I don't mean to be ugly, but people are always saying, oh, it's junk. It's junk. Washers are good if you're good to them. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hopefully you will. And I'll see you till next Rich Time.